Money is a currency that is designed to flow through you to other channels. Money is never designed to stop at a place. Check your banks. They are currently trading with your saved money. This is the secret that the rich know, that the poor don't know much about. And that is why the rich keep getting rich, while the poor keep getting poorer. Now I'm about to share with you the secret to making more money, especially online. If you're watching this video at any time, just know that it is meeting you by purpose. So I'm about to share with you the secret to making more money online. So now when you're thinking of making more money online, think of solution. Think of solution to problem, because currently at the level we are, there are a lot of problem in the world. The society, the environment, people are having a lot of problem. And when you are thinking of those solutions, think it in the area of something that can ease people's suffering, save their time, make life much easier, make them more money. That is when you can get people to listen to you. And now when you now discover the solution to this very problem, you now start thinking how you can convert it into product. And there are two major ways you can channel this solution. You can channel it as a product, or you can channel it as a service. You can think about done for you services. This is where you do the work for the client. That is either you become a content creator, a content writer, a YouTube creator, or you become a social media marketer or manager, where you help the client do the work, or you offer it as a done with you. This is where you work with the client, do this work and help them achieve the desired result they're looking for. This is in form of coaching, tutoring, online session. That's where you hold hand with the client to deliver the solution. And now when you're thinking of the product aspect, you start thinking of either creating it into a digital product. And there are a lot of digital products you can create. You can create an ebook, you can create your course, you can create a worksheet, workbook, online class. There are a lot of digital products you can create in order to share those solutions. And you know, we have problem in the marital state, problem in the online space, problem in people making more money. So anyone you're able to discover, and I have to tell you that the solutions are unending. It's when you start thinking in that direction that you start getting ideas on what to create. And I have to tell you that when you're seeking for something, you will start attracting energetic support that will help you to launch into that thing or become successful at it. And there are other ways you can make money, which is through investment. And for this, I would advise that you go and get that sorted out with a financial expert. There are ways such as agro investment, two-person business. This is where you invest in someone's business and get a return. And another way you can also make investment is mutual fund. You can also buy stocks, foreign stock, local stock. You can also do cryptocurrency, forex trade. There are numerous ways you can make money, even affiliate marketing. But here is my advice. If you want to make money online, my very best advice is to start with what you know. There is something you know very well. That's something you are very good at. Okay, if you say, I don't have any skill, I don't know anything, especially as it relates to online space, then I want you to think about what you have affinity to. There is something you are passionate about. It could be either teaching, it could be either writing. So then you pick a skill. Pick a high income paying skill and learn it. It could be digital content creation, it could be content writing, it could be social media management, it could be website design, it could be any of the skills. Pick one of them, learn it. And as you are learning the skill, I want you to create your page on social media, because now social media will help you to be seen by those who want to buy this product or get to pay for your services. So when you create your social media page, you start talking about your journey into learning the skills. By talking about your journey into learning the skills, you're also letting people know that I'm getting better in doing this and you can trust me to do this for you. Now you can position yourself to do it as a done for you service. By then, you can offer it as a volunteer service. That is even how I started. You can offer it as a volunteer service. You do it voluntarily for maybe 3 months, 6 months to get your hand solid on this. And as you're doing that, also factor it on your content. As you're creating your content, factor it that you're doing this for so and so brand, so that you will also get people know that you're already working on that very skill. People will get to trust you. And if you're thinking of places that you can do that, you can do that on Instagram, you can do it on TikTok, you can do it on Twitter, you can do it on Facebook, you can do it on LinkedIn. So these are the platforms that can help you get seen by those who will need your services or your products in the long run. So when you start getting clients that will pay you to do these services for them, what you have to do is also build your brand online. Also talk about how you are doing these services and what you are learning in the process. By so doing, you also help those who want to learn from you, who want to learn that skill from you, to get to see you. It will position you as an expert. And before you know that, you can now convert that skill, that knowledge you have gathered for yourself, into a digital product. This is where you can create an ebook, you create a course, you create a group program where you teach people, you promise them to take them on a transformational journey, that they will go from not knowing a particular skill to knowing a particular skill, and thereby getting a client that will pay them immediately or 30 days after they finish learning that skill. So this is how you can start making money online. So if you are thinking of this very area, I bet you find yourself getting people attracted to you. And one of the key things that you need to note is consistency, because as you start this journey, it might start becoming overwhelming. Yeah, but you don't need to get yourself burn out. You need to make plans. You need to do what we call content planning, strategizing on how you can manage your time so that you won't get burnout in creating your content, in managing clients content, or in rendering your services or coaching, so that you won't get burnout. Because it happens at times when you start getting results, you start getting burnout. There will be a time where you will need to hire people to work with you, where some of those done for you services you'll be getting, you can get people to do it for you, you pay them and you get your own share. So these are one of the ways you can make money online. Then another way you can also do that is where you offer affiliate marketing. Become an affiliate marketer to one of the brands you trust, so you can thereby stand to promote their products and get commission for that. Or you, as a person, when you have already created your own product, can get people to promote your product and you pay them some commission for promoting your product. I bet you if you do that, you will make more money online. And if you are still looking for ways or affiliate programs that you can start, or you want to start promoting a product, become an affiliate marketer, there is also opportunity that I'll also share with you. You will find the link in the description. So, but what my earnest advice is for you to start rendering this as a done for you service. Start as a volunteer. That is the best way you can even sharpen your hands, learn and unlearn. Because when you start doing the thing, you get to find out if this thing is for you or not for you. Because if you start creating a product when you know that you're not good enough for it, you have not sharpened your hands, it's not something you are seeing yourself doing in the next 5 or 10 years to come, I bet you that you will feel that you're wasting your time in the long run. So there are so many ways to make money, but these are few that I want you to note, and you can start right now. So, and if you're looking for high income skills to learn, you can also use ChatGPT to find out more answers to high income skills that you can learn. We already have the content writing, the web design, the social media management. There are a lot of tech skills that you can learn that are not complicated for you to learn, and that won't cost you much for you to learn. There are some sites that you can get it for free to learn. So, and there are some sites you will need to pay in order to learn this thing. I bet by doing so, you'll be able to make more money in 2025. So if you have any question, do well to drop it on the comment section. And if you're able to watch this video to this point, do well to give me a heart on the comment section. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and share this with your friends who are also looking for a way to make money online. Till we meet in my next video. Bye for now.